For practice of compassion and non-violence, you really need courage, not for killing. If you kill somebody, shoot somebody, you don't actually need courage. You press the button and the machine will do the job, right? The Hindi word for compassion is karuna, which literally translated something like stopping bliss. That means when you develop this compassion for others, wishing that they be free from suffering, you develop some kind of uneasiness. That's why it's called stopping the bliss. But that uneasiness comes only on the surface level. It's like a big ocean. You know, the big ocean, on the surface there will be some waves, but deep down it is solid. It's unmoving, stable. So similarly, when you develop compassion with the knowledge, with the understanding that others are suffering, then it's reasonable, it's logical. Therefore, on the surface there will be some disturbance because of your compassion for others, but deep down there is courage. Therefore, I always say non-violence and compassion, these are the actions which can be practiced only by very strong people, not by weak people. Compassion is not a sign of weakness. Compassion is not like feeling of pity that somebody is poor thing, not like that. Compassion, you develop compassion to others with full respect, right? And based on logic and reason, right? So for practice of compassion and non-violence, you really need courage, not for killing. If you kill somebody, shoot somebody, you don't actually need courage. You press the button and the machine will do the job, right? Okay? Yeah.